Thank you for coming to our Acting Block 3 showcase. For those of you who might not be aware, my name is Autumn Kersey. I'm the founder and executive director of Treasure Valley Children's Theater. Our mission is to bring quality theater arts experiences to youth here in the Treasure Valley. And my wonderful friend and artist educator, Courtney Ransom, has spent the last 11 weeks with these youngsters working through what it means to be in theater, what an actor really does, a lot of games and activities to help reinforce performance skills. And then the last 3.5 weeks, they've been working toward the performance you're about to see this evening, The Ugly Woodpecker. So we hope that you enjoy the show. I do want to draw your attention to an advertisement in your program. On Saturday, Treasure Valley Youth Theater will be performing Peter Pan, not here, but at Mountain View High School off of Overland Road across from Majestic Cinema. Please come bring your family. We have a cast of 48 youngsters who've been working for 10 weeks to prepare this performance for the community. Treasure Valley Youth Theater is a nonprofit organization that Children's Theater supports, and their mission is to empower young people through leadership development through performing arts. So please come and support Peter Pan. Well, without further ado, I want to again thank you so much for coming this evening and enjoy The Ugly Woodpecker. Yay.
A mother woodpecker was sitting on the 3 eggs in her nest. The first 2 eggs hatched. It was a boy and girl woodpecker. She named them Willow and William. But the 3rd egg would not hatch. It was much smaller than the other eggs, and it was clear and spotted while the other 2 eggs were plain.
I think you're sitting on a rotten egg, Mama Woodpecker. Or maybe the egg of some other bird like a goose or a peacock.
Stop kidding around, Paul Woodpecker. You know good and well that this is a woodpecker egg, even if it is small and clear and spotted.
Suit yourself.
So the mother woodpecker continued to sit on the egg, and after 3 long days, it began to crack. Out popped a strange creature that looked nothing like a woodpecker.
What a strange-looking bird.
My word, it has web feet like some birds I know.
But where are its wings? Where are its feathers?
And what a strange color it is.
Little brother, can you drill a hole in a tree like this? The hatchling tried. Ow! But it simply hurt his head.
That never hurt me. Little brother, can you fly like me?
The hatchling waved his arms, but he could not fly. He kind of hooked.
You don't even have wings. What kind of a woodpecker are you? Yeah, what kind of woodpecker are you? You can't fly and you can't drill a hole with your beak. Spike is the ugliest woodpecker I've ever seen.
Yeah! Children, for shame! You shouldn't be so cruel to your little brother just because he's a little different than you.
Yes, pipe down, children. I don't think this really is your little brother.
We need to find out for sure. Into the trees, children.
I bet he doesn't even know how to climb. Yeah, he's just gonna sit there like a bump on a log.
The family of woodpeckers took to the trees. They climbed higher and higher, but each time he tried to climb, the creature landed with a big curved claw. The family of woodpeckers soon rejoined him on the ground.
Oh, this will never do.
If he can't fly or climb, he'll never keep up.
You don't belong here. Beat it, Slimy.
I think you must be a duck. We need to find a new home for you among your own kind.
Good riddance.
Hush. Into the trees, you two. Time to find some dinner.
So Pa Woodpecker led the hatchling down to a marsh. He left him with a couple of ducks named Danny and Ducky.
Who are you? Yes, please identify yourself.
I don't know. When I was born, I thought I was a woodpecker. But they told me I'm a duck.
A duck, you say. Can you make sounds like this? Quack, quack, quack.
A ribbit. A ribbit. No, sorry.
No wonder you don't even have the right kind of a beak. Do you waddle when you walk?
Here. I'll walk. Oh, wait, I don't know. Here, I'll walk a few steps, and you tell me.
Nope, not even close. You have a strange way of walking. That's for sure. You certainly don't waddle in a cool way like a duck. You can't quack, and you don't waddle. You must not be a duck. You need to find out first into the pond you go. Yes, let's all go for a swim. I bet he doesn't even know how to swim. Yeah, he's gonna sink like a rock.
But the creature didn't sink. He swam faster and stronger than the other ducks. They didn't like that he was a better swimmer than them, so they pushed him out of the pond.
I don't know what you are. You are a disgrace to ducks. I think you must actually be a very ugly woodpecker. Yeah, those woodpeckers just want to get rid of you. You're certainly not cool enough to be a duck. Yeah, you better just ease on down the road.
The creature's feelings were very hurt. If this is how ducks behaved, he didn't even want to be a duck. So he moved away from them as fast as his feet could carry him. He soon came upon two ducks named Farley and Farah.
Who are you?
I don't know. I thought I was a woodpecker, but I can drill holes with my beak. Then I thought I was a duck, but I can waddle or quack.
Oh, we know what you are. I was asking, who are you? What's your name?
Wait, you know what I am?
You look pretty froggy looking. Yeah, we're frogs. You're certainly not a snake, an owl, or a moose. We look good on you. You're a frog, no doubt about it. You're a frog.
A frog? But how can you be sure?
You look exactly like us. Yeah, and we're frogs. Not just any frogs. We're the coolest frogs this side of Mississippi. You look pretty cool too. Oh, you must be a frog.
I'm a frog. Hey everyone, I'm a frog.
That's what he is. I knew he was a frog. Guess what he did?
So it was that the very ugly woodpecker learned that he was actually a frog. He immediately changed his name to Franklin A. Frog. He was adopted by Farley and Farah and their brothers and sisters. Franklin A. Frog was always nice to the other animals, no matter how unusual they looked or acted. Even the ones that weren't so nice to him before became his friends, and they all lived happily ever after.
Come on and ease on down the road. Come on and ease on down the road. Don't you carry nothing that might be a load. Come on and ease on down the road. Pick your left foot up when your right foot's down. Come on, let's keep moving. Don't you lose no ground. You just keep on.
Okay, you guys, let's go to your final poses that we did before for a picture. Up around there. All right, show me your fiercest frogs, your wittiest woodpeckers, and your dapperest ducks, and your wackiest wolf.
Ren.
Awesome. All right, how about one more big round of applause for your guys? Thank you guys so much for letting us play with your kids. They were so much fun. I hope that they had as much fun as we did. I think Autumn has a little snack.
Yes, we do have some refreshments, so if you're able to stay and refresh with us and celebrate the youngsters and their hard work. And for each of you, for completing acting block 3, we have a little certificate certifying your training as young actors from Treasure Valley Children's Theater. So we'll make sure you get that this evening. We're just pulling out the snacks. Please make yourself at home, and thank you again for coming to our showcase.
Guys, I will take all of your costumes over here, please. Cheers.